Let me show you how to place your design on any package in Photoshop. The thing about designers is they just warp, change the blend mode, and use the brush tool to clean up excess areas. That is not the best practice. Let me show you how. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type blank product package. You can go through these packages and choose the one that you want for your project. Once you downloaded it, bring it to Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl J 3 times to make 3 copies of your product. Hide these 2 layers for now. Select layer 1 and place in your design. Scale it up to fit your package. Change its blend mode to multiply. Right-click on the design layer and create a clipping mask. Unhide the layer 1 copy and change its blend mode to linear bend. Go to Adjustments and choose Levels. Make sure to select the clipping mask icon and follow these settings. Once you are satisfied, hide this panel. Select these 2 layers and group them. Rename the folder to Linear Bend. Review or unhide this layer. Change its blend mode to Linear-Add. Go to Adjustments and choose Levels. Make sure to select the clipping mask icon and follow these settings. Select these 2 layers and group them. Rename it to anything that you want. Select the background layer. Go to Adjustments and choose Levels. We want to add a little bit of contrast to the background. Now go to Adjustments and choose Solid Color. Pick any color of your choice and click OK. Change its blend mode to multiply. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more. Watch other videos on this channel. See you in the next video.